Hello everyone, today we are going to explore an essential aspect of English grammar, the degrees of comparison. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify and use positive, comparative, and superlative forms of adjectives with confidence. Let's start with the positive degree. This form simply describes a quality without making any comparison. For example, she is tall. Here, tall is the positive degree of adjective. Next, we have the comparative degree. This form compares two things, indicating that one has more or less of a quality than the other. For instance, she is taller than her brother. The adjective taller is comparative form of tall. Finally, the superlative degree compares three or more things, showing that one has the most or least of a quality. For example, she is the tallest among her friends. Here, tallest is the superlative form of all. Some adjectives have irregular comparative and superlative forms. For example, good becomes better in the comparative and best in the superlative. Bad becomes worse in the comparative and worst in the superlative. Here are some important tips to remember. Use the positive degree when describing a single noun. Use the comparative degree when comparing two nouns. Use the superlative degree when comparing three or more nouns. Avoid double comparatives such as more better. Instead, use better. Let's practice fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjective. This book is than the other one. Interesting, more interesting, or most interesting. Of all the students, she is the intelligent. My house is dash than yours. So here are the answers. More interesting, most intelligent, and bigger. Great job. You have now mastered the degrees of comparison. Thanks for watching.